Why ni bisa the question be? O say na o say omu yi asem no e dey call mentia for settlement. And the first one na ye di ye na omanti ase no adenti no musan call hobium. That was an intelligent question. Say case wo baby na say yaba be for settlement. No me di na wonti ase a. Baby a ye di bi enya ho na wo san ba. Abenti na musan di fresh petition e di koma ye ru ase wonka. It was an intelligent question, but Krambo Kwadwo, the fake historian, went to me and Yano because entro we could sika because we ba pension a woni pi or share che no wa space. Na or to one the open worker. Baby a we bri na nke se woni wo Nyankopon temu e na wo hwe. But odi nyunome ene Sumahene echi e na omo kansem hunu e kire no e na wo ye sebi say wono ekọ Cote d'Ivoire ekọ ye ayi o say jase hini ka kire ye bra say wasi wo hini main refer to anything mo anda no Sampa traditional council page e di video bi to ho emra Dormaahene kan say ye di Samodua si ade asu dadada ye kopie wo menhia Adama Watara e ka say wo kan say o say we na ye pese ye yi no manesi enka wo be ka say we na oti akonwa ne so ananka samon krata na ye ko ye no da na ye rua ebisa say why na di asem ne bae no nko mmeka say yasi ohini sorry yasi ohini na obi so won ti afie
Memoir Kwaba Eba Skeleton Man TV. So Skeleton Man TV ana wushi. Say we your first time and your bomodian. Subscribe. Me notification so send anytime bia ye di video betumuno. Won son sabekan when ye bia ushevia comment fa. Chire wa dream for video no mo bisia like video no na share e mo bia so nya bi hwe. Me da si bebre. Abusia Sampa Manhene na Samgba Gyafla the second versus Dormaahene Vrs say yes ha biem na emomu no eye Ghana versus Dormaahene Vrs for mo amunim say Sampa Manhene na Samgba Gyafla the second ofale contempt case against Dormaahene ni nyina ne say na ko se Dormaahene or this Sampa Manhene the gazetting documents eco National House of Chiefs enso busua obunua gu na sum say enya de a ode pipes no be konne anase echina all because onu de won hu ni say wono ne Sampa Manhene na emomu no sa modua na ye de eye Sampa Manhene ni santi no Sampa Manhene na Samgba Gyafla efale for contempt against Dormaahene and no na court eye dey emma bailiff say onko serve Dormaahene say ya file contempt case against him to omra court na asem no judge enye den entina so ebusua ye hwehwe Dormaahene e di lawsuit no ama no a bailiff no ekwa na ebusua Dormaahene ne machofo tata bailiff na omo peso de lawsuit no be den ebe ma Dormaahene enno ana Sampa Manhene sa call back to court and or report to the SNI nyina ye den emma judge no bailiff no so be ye den ebe di adanse say de Dormaahene wo ye ni ebusua enno na court e wo da say Sampa Manhene onko post contempt case no e wo Bono Regional House of Chiefs no fa bi nso koye den enkobo high court e wo honom no san fa bi nso nya den emra newspapers mu abusuafo Sampa Manhene na Samgba Gyafla the second waye ni nyina a samre no Ghana eye den hwehwe Dormaahene say wombra court no meyi na no abusua ye hwehwe no be bia ye hu no Abu Mahama Sampa Manhene the personal assistant or the update ni nyina aye den aba se Dormaahene ye hu no anasi ye hu no wodi ni nyina abanti de mu bia nko ni enkotie no
Medasi Bob Gaddafi or see my battery is very low, so explain it fast. Has he been arrested here? So no, it wasn't for arresting him. A country say he no court. Now omra. Enti abusiafo send ye me mama suti ye no. Emre kakra bi ni. Ye ka kire mu say ye wo court. Na ye de ye be famra kwan so ene amamre kwan so nananom na mamamre kwan so ene yeyi nana Samgba Gyafla ene yede ne si ade so yede ne si akonwa so wie no ne yaka eyemra kwan mo ese yefa na yedi nana edin ka Ghana ahemfodin ho eno ne yefto so ayekọ no enti ufa nkrata na me de tu me page ho na obehu say the beginning no omo address e the command the regional house the registrar and what state asem na edi asem we buy no and omo state in head no or say in the matter of application for judicial review in the nature of mandamus and okeka ya echrekere wo mo a omo hu ba asem no ma ye ka wiye until the next page no okwa or say in the matter of an application for committal for contempt the Republic versus Osadeye Ejumai Bedu our Tosum Dormaahene any president of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs any Amakunedu the registrar the Bono Regional House of Chiefs enti ekono na mepesa wuti asie enye nana Samgba Gyafla ni Dormaahene biumo eye oman no the Republic oman Ghana any nana Ejumai Bedu ene enya also saying also respectfully I forward here with a copy of hearing notice and with the order made by His Lordship Justice on the date of May 2025 in respect of the above name suite. NT or Tretremo and Wade a 7 by and also in the High Court of Kumasi hearing notice. The Republic of my Ghana any Dormaahene and Anya and Wade Baho and what say a seminal Yatu Edi Akoshe Monday June Busumia etosu dunsia da etosu dunsia ena yebeba court ena otwetreya no obaye and was saying also upon hearing the affidavit of Michael Owusu Bempa of Muse and Moni and Bonti solicitor of Accra a room 26 to 22 Senate flat and blah 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 Kumasi in Asante region of Ghana an applicant hearing sworn on the and filed on 26th day of March 2025 in support of the motion ex parte for an order of statutory service. Also, what in the court no and make an order. And the order now court no make any and the only way send your bay album huno. Ye de nyina tare ema obi ehunu no notice board ne so mo amowo Bono region mo betimi akọ the High Court notice board I was nyane mo behunu wo ho mo kọ Bono Regional House of Chiefs nso a mo behunu wo ho enti we and wo kire say yenye or say posting a copy of the said process on the notice board of High Court Sunyane posting a copy of the said process on the walls of the Regional House of Chiefs Sunyane and by leaving a copy with the registrar or any staff at the Bono Regional House of Chiefs Sunyane and an or one-time publication of the said processes in daily graphic. And was it saying or say the processes will be deemed served after 14 days of posting. The case is adjourned to 16th June 2025 at 10 a.m. And now signing ye kama a certify ye edima ye. Enti ebusiafo send ye mema wasuti ye no ye di atatare the notice board no ene ye keka ho no ene ye ja copy edima the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. Nyame ya adumu a ochina ekopim the first part of next week no no na daily graphic publication no so no na ye wie a ye de bebremo enti eye oman Ghana eni nana Dormaahene na enye nipa bi eye oman Ghana ni na because court na obu na nimtia no is the court of the nation enti notice hearing notice nini the hearing notice Republic versus the Republic and what? Osajifo Osiadeye Ejumai Bedu. Any omo keka ho. Enti ebusia medamasi. Niye ye nyina ne se ye bema mra aye adwuma Nana Dormaahene, the Bono Regional House of Chiefs now work on and yet extension of the Doma Traditional Council. It is the creation of the law. And now Osanye the officer of the court. And now Ononsu Eyesa Enti Mesre Emma Obi Emma na Junimo Enye say yibi eye bunufo no agenda. A group of Nkrofo no maba together to create confusion in Sampa. Semutie Kramo Kojo Ejomai Bedu, the fake historian Mutie no nsemu a woka na nim say or incite violence. Utie nsemu a woka nyina or incite violence. Eye baby ananke say security, national security nanke so mo frɛ no mo chi no. Nanke so mo frɛ no mo chi no because nsemu a woka nyina no is incitement of violence. And that's enona the so-called Bunu people no sa no mo we Sampa. Dormaahene nyunomahene ena omanya onu aka ho because papa panyinemu a wo sori ya wo si wo ye historian wa bobra nanka say baby a waduru de enka sabe wonyansa ene onioma mo na abeye nanka wonye enyina ho amma to trasem na hwe the way a all kasa na all hanhen nanimu na all kasa enkrofo be firi kodivoa de ben beba be ko ne ne keka ho enkrofo be wu ni we na nim say sabe oye papa panyine a sabe ne nyansa no aka ekire kakra sabe because you are inciting people to resort to violence. Because sana nyunomahene ene Dormaahene aka kire wom munya basabasa because they want to create anarchy in Sampa. But yana na Samgba Gyafla send ye wa woka ye no omo breye no mu chitire Sampa. And to hwe ne history no woka o say Sampa fo ye ba ye kotena adwarasu. Look at this. Sampa fo kotena adwarasu ansa na ye betena jamara ansa na ye be kramo kwajo mesrel o kasa na wo ye nanim to say like wakoji pawrenfo bi a ontimi Sampa ye ba ya ye bebo a ye jamra fo a ye wie ye no ye tena jamra na ye tena ye jamra na ye nana hyenyo no bo ene omo keka mo wu ye a ye sie omo wo ho ansa na ye nana Samgba Gyafla wodi kan ne nua ba ye mo dan e be kekere Sampa kodua enti wo tena baby ni ye ma fake history bi na wo keka say ye ba ye Sampa fo ba no mo kotena dwarasu ene omo free wo be tena jamra. Look at this. Mesremo so wanya ne nuama benom na ye bone pra bi na wo ye nuama bi a onye enti mesremo a Asanteman is a complete institution on its own. Wo ye na wo kan o se nanka esese Asanteman ahimfu ni nyina dwen kobai ko ansana. That is not what is done. Ye ko Supreme Court a omo ye ne den judges wo mo wo ho ye take majority rule and to offer judgment na there are dissenting who gave others. They allow people, and that is how it is done. And at the end of the day, we come out with the majority rule, and that is how it is. And Temesrel, and Tnawo, and Haha, Wenim, and Tnaho, and play into that Bono, the so-called Bono propaganda, a yet Dormaahene, Nyunomahene, Oma Benny to bring chaos in Sampa. Mesre, the national security, you are watching. Comments like what near that papa penyinemu a baby a wedrui so wetimi nim sebe wonim nyansa na wonim se enye nyoma nyina na yeka na woti wa no wo kan nyina ne se ne buta nyina ne se obeye den obeye na wa create trouble in the town called Sampa. But we are very intelligent people and yenim masremo emo obi amfi no nkamin fi no kra say office say like or asembia on kika nyoma ne mbomu no won fanko boy ne bisa ne question bi o say na o say omu yi asem no e de call mentia for settlement and the first one na ye di ye na omanti ase no adenti no mu sai call hobium. That was an intelligent question. Say case wo baby na say yaba be for settlement no me di na wonti ase a baby a ye di bi anya ho na wo sai ba abenti na musa di fresh petition edi koma yɛwura sɛ wɔnka. It was an intelligent question, but Krambo Kwadwo, the fake historian, went to me and Yano because entro Wakoji Sika because waba pension a woni pi or shani cheno washa space. Na or tuona ni opena woka. Ah baby a wedri nanke se woni wo nyankopon temu e na wo wiwe. But odi nyunome ene Sumahene echi. E na omo kansem hunu e kire no e na wo ye. Sebi. Say wono ekọ Cote d'Ivoire ekọ ye ayi o say jase hini kachire ye bra say wasi wo hini main refer to anything mo anda no Sampa traditional council page e di video bi to ho emra Dormaahene kan say ye di Samodua si ade asu dadada ye kopie wo menhia Adama Watara e ka say wo kan say o say we na ye pese ye yi no manesi enka wo be ka say we na oti akonwa ne so ananka samon krata na ye ko ye no da na ye wura ebisa say why na di asem ne bae no nko mmeka say yasi ohini sorry yasi ohini na obi so won tia fie sorry so enko obeka say oh yasi ohini na obi si won tia ase ana yasi abrantie we ohini na obi si won tia ase but it wasn't like this so enti Dormaahene ene nyunumahene emfa nkrata emra a e kire se Samoduafo ko menhia omo petition no omo di ko ye no omo kire se omo si ohini bi ena yabusiafo ka se ye ntia ase na saa ohini no ye ntia ase Dormaahene si Samoduafo edi akonwa no for 10 years hwene papa no ka o se ye soa no ahemfu soa no di na chi edi nenam kuromu so let's remember calculated na omuye fee said they think they can bring Asantewaa down or they think they can bring chaos in Sampa. We are very intelligent more than that. Adia ye nana no mo brechi chire ye medi machi ense sakuru no enti we are very patient ye be yusu amamre eni amanye kwan bi eni mra kwan bi eda hobia no na dia ye madam say sorry enti sanete enti mesre mo a I don't want to give him attention, but sometimes you let certain things and look at it. Maybe so we are there bi. O say ye no ye o kan asem bi say ye nye na fanafo no wo ho na dien ye no ye ntimi o keka ansem bebre na no eye mamulenge Daniel Okra e kasa no o tre letter bi sa letter no me pese mo hwe se debi ame me ka kire ma ba betena so onu Krambo Kwadwo owo hwid owo betena eyi kumase no se ka ye bo akonwa de amana na ebusua no ye nkase Asante ebusua ye be ka se Krambo Kwadwo ebusua a omuye dwunimufo so ho enti se ye nya na fanafo ye nya hwenyolefo ye ndi hwenyole akonwa ne ye bo akonwa e de amaye na enka ye busua kura ye firi mu no enka enu din e na omo de bebo amaye so ho enka saa ebusua no e na omo bebo e de amaye enti ohwe letter we or say creation of the common stool, a divisional stool to the Shenyole family. Or say today, to the Shenyole family. To the Shenyole family. Elias Akahau Sampa. And Abadan ha. Or say, the chief has directed that the common stool, the divisional stool, be created and located in the Shenyole family. Shenyole family. And to mess remwa bibi ne hano. out of jealousy. Out of jealousy. Se otumfo pe asikafo mo di akonwa a dentro on kope businessmen for mo was sika ne ne keka ho so ho na esebi ubenya papa penyine mu a wadu sei na sebi ubetena e me di camera si so na wo kan kwasi asem entimeje munya no onye correct bibi ne ha no ti munya ne sa na onko na onu ankasa no. When it gets to where he has to get to know, he will understand, say, sebi. Why nyoma ache na unim ni oye. So, may the letter be to, may the ruling be to me page in this. One say nyoma bia eye nokre bia no ompe. Ade bia nokre bia no ompe. Kramo kwadwo. Ade bia nokre bia no ompe. Emra Sampa Elba hima akonwa ne toye judgment a me de to me page no so no enye yera enye santiman judgment we eye de bono we eye kuro a ewo bono a ye frɛ no Sampa the traditional council anana kofisuno ST ye the 7-member committee omo ena omo twere sa judgment we judgment no page 12 Ivy or say it is undeniable fact that the Abnasra family and the Kofisuno family no and Afia Techiwa family now stand as one gate. These changes was made at one of the general meeting of the traditional council to prepare family 3 of the paramount stool. To prepare a family 3 of the paramount stool. Osi abena sra ebusuya. Eni afia techi wa ebusuya. Eye ebusuya baako. Ye saadi we seni ebe ya omo be twere ebusuya dua edi ama Sampa akonwa no. Ansa na ye beka obi ni obi abomu se omo nko twere omo busuya dua no. Na omo nim se omo ni wo nana, omo firi nana baako ase. Enti mesre sa papa no is a disappointed person onye eyi won say judgment na omo wieye no tie ha na oka asem bi say na nka say ahemfo ni nyina ekọ adwen omadwen ekọ benkro hwe ne yesi wa hanso o say the mediation committee at this juncture handed the matter to the Abnasra family to the gate after a short deliberation at the meeting. Chame Yabedi Akon stood up and said that on his behalf and behalf of their family, he did not agree with their tasting. Then the matter was handed over to the traditional council, and almost saying. Or say, with the exception of Nana Kwadwo Akomia, all the traditional council members agree with the committee ruling. And or say, the committee, as the custom demand, collected a SIDA fee of 1,500,000 cedis. That is Titisikano from the Afia Techiwa family, which they paid. So, this was the judgment from the Sampa Traditional Council. Nana Akumia pe and Nana Oyo Hinia, na Oye member of the Traditional Councilor, or can't send the committee in the Kayeno on Tiasie. But now he is the only one against over 13 soul members. And that 13 soul members, and carry the majority and ruling in our favor. And Omuji Asida Sika and Yetuaye. And to Omu decide judgment we mayen. Now Ubetna Wakura Biasi Junemu. Na and somewhere Sebi a free one no more. Now woka say Jurumu be echoes suo mensia. What sort of nonsense is that, Sebi? papa panyinemu near Sampa Traditional Council ahemfo kae no sika bɛn ne atua ma wo mo a omudi asɛm ne maaye adenti na ahemfo ni nyinaa ankɔ omadwe ankɔ benkro a ɛhɔ no yenya nipa baako a ɔka sɛ wɔne ahemfo ni nyinaa adwen nyɛ pɛ na mum o pɛ Asanteman Council no de ahemfo ni nyinaa at any given time should say one thing, then it is not a basa na enye adepa ntemesre Mr. Ejuman national security munhwe papa no ne pronouncement ye eye Dormaahene ene Nwunumahene no mabɔ ne pa sɛ ne yɛbɛyɛ a ɔbɛkeka nsɛm na wa create confusion in the town yɛbɛsrɛ mo ye no we are very decent people and ne yɛ nananom bere kyikyire ye no we don't want to destroy it yen di enkrofo bi akyi ensɛ no ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ yɛ hufoɔ yɛnyɛ hufoɔ because ono Dormaahene he has nothing to lose sɛ Sampa sɛ ya Nwunumahene he has nothing to lose sɛ Sampa sɛ ya dwene mu krambo kwadwo sɛ Sampa sɛ ya he has nothing to lose Farouk Ahmed any Samodua boys sɛ Sampa sɛ ya ɔmo ne hwi lusu but Sampa sɛ ya we will lose a lot because yeye nananom ene bechichire Sampa and that is why we keep on speaking to our children yankurofo say munya abutre muma yenyusu amamre ene amane ene Ghana mra ne yemfan solve everything Mesremo Mr. Regional Minister President Mahama edi region no ehye won sase hwe na pepeyo enye adwuma ewo ho na uye nana adwuma badu eni Farouk nom na ye omu lawyer ye nominate wo no that didn't bother us because na enim say sambre no na wo ye professional work as a lawyer enti omu na omu di omu asemba ye enti obedi omu animu but the moment President Mahama and nominate wo no pe that biases towards them no should cease. Mr. Regional Minister, you are because chambers now we are Jumano, that chambers is still representing them until you still have that soft heart towards them, but we don't have any problem because any dembra of Ghana, the laws of the country are not written by you, Mr. Regional Minister, and they are not determined. You are not the ultimate determinant of the laws in this country until we don't have any problem with that. But we are only telling you to be very careful about your dealings, to be very careful about your actions. Emma sa we na wo any sebi nneoma bi a wo twere ye emra na wo represent wo mo nneoma bi a wo twere ye at a point in time krano the judge has to get you to delete some of the words now we use because they were not a more kind of law mo saying na enye enkasa sebi say mo ka lawyers can se sa de ne da so wo mu na de be di regional minister na wan hwe yi a actions and inactions be say Sampa, and we don't want that to happen. And Mesro ye sa tade na wo hye no sa mere no yi to ho na be neutral person, na be principal leader, a leader who can rule, a leader who will stand firm and not allow himself to be used by Nwunumahene and Dormaahene.
Well, Obusia, and ye Abu Mahama, Sampa Manhene na Samgba Gyafla the second, the personal assistant and Obusia for Moten and Kano, Nensemui, a day and a walk and found. Comment session on nature waging a funny seminar. Hanum, a skeleton man, TV, we see a talk for more, yet the bro, it is away your first timer, and your bombardier. Subscribe, mere notification is so. Keke all no send your video, PI, the betumuno. One son sabekan when you be a sure, but that's be brave.